Seems like Nifty is in no mood to come on the downside. I think the downside is very much limited in spite of Reliance not supporting. And if you see Bank Nifty, HDFC was not performing, HDFC twins were not performing, and we are not getting positive global cues. US futures are down, European futures are down. In spite of all these things, FIIs are not buying. In spite of all these things, Nifty is holding above 16,500, right? So 16,500 is going to be a support, I think. So Nifty doesn't want to come on the downside. Very highly volatile trading session, right? So let's see what is happening in the market. Hello traders, this is Umar with you, and welcome to yet another video. So how is the market? Highly volatile market. I have not made any money this month, right? So highly volatile. Whatever we think is happening opposite. We are shorting the market is going on the upper side, and when we are long on the market is coming on the downside. Highly volatile trading session. VIX is very low. VIX is low in the sense it is around 13 or 13.5. Still we are not getting premium, but markets are moving violently. So it's a hard time for option sellers. I don't know if any of them, if you are making money, but I am not making money. The truth is that I'll have to be honest with you. Very hard time for option sellers, right? So let's see what is going to happen. And if you see in the US markets are really deep in the red. Dow is almost 200 points down. It's like deep in the red, and maybe SGX Nifty is also in the red, and I haven't got the FII data. And yesterday FIIs have sold for more than 1,000 crores, and I don't know what is going to happen today. And markets are likely to be range bound. That's what I think. We are not getting the support of Bank Nifty. If we had the support of Bank Nifty, maybe we should be touching 17,000 or 17,200. For now, I am sure downside is very much limited. Whatever happens, the market doesn't care. They talk about pandemic, they talk about Delta variant of coronavirus. Market seems to not care about these things. Market is moving on the upside. It is keep on moving. So why we should be shorting the market now, right? And tomorrow you see market is going to come down. You know why? Because we are talking about shorting the market. Maybe market will go up tomorrow. That's what I am trying to say here. And one more thing we will talk about in this video is I will tell you a expiry day strategy, which we will discuss after we see what is happening in the market. And if you see, tomorrow is an expiry due to Thursday there is a festival. So trading holiday, due to that tomorrow is going to be the expiry, and we should be having a good expiry or calm expiry, I think. Likely Nifty markets are likely to gap down tomorrow. That's what I think. The way the markets are behaving, and the way the FIIs are not supporting, and the way the global cues are negative, it seems markets are going to gap down tomorrow. So that's what I personally think. Maybe you will be having many other clues, but what I think is market is going to slightly gap down, I think. Let's see how things pan out tomorrow. And nowadays, markets, like even if SGX Nifty or even US futures are down, our markets are shooting up. If you compare Dow US markets with Indian markets have outperformed the US markets for the last 1 year. Since March 2020 till now, Indian markets have outperformed US markets. So they were talking about many things, inflation data, that this and all, nothing. It doesn't even care about what is happening around. All it wants is to go on the upside. That is what is happening. And yesterday we were talking that there are good amount of we were telling that Nifty is on the bullish and Bank Nifty is on the bullish, and that is evident in our open interest itself. There are more number of call writing in put writing in Nifty, and there is good amount of call writing in Bank Nifty. Yeah, if you see Bank Nifty, there are people are writing calls, and in Nifty people are writing puts. So if both the indices are in opposite direction, so that is the main reason maybe markets are highly volatile and highly consolidating. So we should be having a smooth and good expiry tomorrow, and as we told, I have told we will do some expiry trade. In fact, this strategy, what I am going to tell you now, was discussed in our webinar which we conducted last week or before 15th, I think. Yeah, last July end, I think. On July end, we did a webinar, and this strategy was discussed extensively. And we did this strategy, and this strategy may work on expiry day as well. I'll just construct the strategy, see if you can understand, and let's see if thing works. So what I'm going to do is, market is at, let's go and select Nifty. So Bank Nifty is very volatile. I don't want you to get into Bank Nifty. So market is at around 16,600. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do a 16,700 straddle and 16,500 straddle, right? So when you do this straddle, your downside break even is around 16,478, and your upside break even is around 16,721, and the total capital required is around 2.5 lakhs, right? So what I am going to do is, after this straddle to straddle, I am taking on 18th August expiry, that is tomorrow's expiry. The main advantage of this thing is, even though you make a good amount of money, the risk is very much unlimited, right? Because you are not protected. So we want to protect this strategy. So what I am going to do is, on 18th August expiry, I did a 16,500 straddle and 16,700 straddle. So one lots I am selling. Then what I do, I go to 26th monthly expiry, that is 26th August expiry, and I am buying 16,500 and 16,700 straddles, same lot, right? So this becomes a hedged position. Now in case the market expires in between this range, you are going to make money. So this strategy you can try on Thursday morning or expiry day morning, and if the markets are range bound in between, so you will make a good amount of money. This is the expiry trade that I thought will share with you. So let me know in the comment section below if you have tried this strategy and this strategy has given you good profit or not. There are pros and cons about this strategy. The pros is that whenever the India VIX is, let's say on expiry day, India VIX is shooting up, means your profit potential will also increase. At the same time, if the India VIX is coming down, your profit potential is also going to come down. Let me show you. Let's say 16,700 on 26th August expiry, if VIX is coming down, see, my profit will also be coming down. At the same time, let's say your India VIX is shooting up, and due to that option VIX is also shooting up, my profit potential will also accentuate, or it will also go on the upper side. So this is one strategy I thought I will tell you, and this strategy you can try on every expiry day. It will work sometime. Major part of the time it is going to work. So as I told you, let me know in the comment section below if this strategy works with you. And that's it for today. I think I've talked so much today. Take care. Bye.